The Burj Khalifa, known as the Burj Dubai prior to 2010, is a skyscraper in Dubai. It has a floor area of 309,473 square meters and is 823 meters high. It is a combination of modern architecture, contemporary architecture, and Islamic architecture. Owned by Emaar Properties. The architects of the building are Adrian Smith, George F. Stathio, and Marshall Strabala. At over 828 meters or 2,716.5 feet and more than 160 stories, Burj Khalifa holds the following records: tallest building in the world, tallest free-standing structure in the world, and highest number of stories in the world. The entry fee for Burj Khalifa is around 5,970.64 dirhams per person. It is undoubtedly one of the most iconic towers in Dubai. Its top view is an amazing sight to behold.